Welcome to ViaBTC Miner. Goldshell sent us a prototype of the AE Max. It's a big guy. Let's unbox it and take a look. On the scale, let's take a look at this big guy. The weight of the box is about 13 kilograms. After unboxing, here is a 16 ampere power cable, Goldshell's instruction manual. Miner is inside the box. This AE Max from Goldshell, power consumption of 3,300 watts, hash rate of 360 megahash, bare unit weight is 11.57 kilograms. One power cable, one instruction manual, plus the hardware unit. That's everything you receive with the AE Max. AE Max is currently the top-tier hash rate machine for the Aleo. It boasts a 360 megahash hash rate, 3,300 watts power consumption. This is not a home mining machine, definitely meant for placement in a mining farm. Its design uses four 120mm fans to cool the chipset. This is the same as the design concept of standard mining farm machines. Regarding network configuration, it only has one Ethernet port. It's not like the AE box, which also has Wi-Fi configured. Now, let's get straight into the hands-on operation. First, we connect the power supply. Then, we find an Ethernet cable. Ensure both the power supply and the network cable are successfully connected. This boot sound. It sounded a little bit like a cow. Its startup noise is also around 80 to 90 decibels. Open Goldshell's official website. Find the support section. Click Find Your Miner. You will be able to see your AE Max, IP address, and the connection time appear on your web page. Now we click the small gear icon on the right to enter the miner's backend for configuration. There's a Chinese or English language toggle switch in the upper right corner. Up to you. To the left of the language option, there's an unlock button. We first need to unlock the mining pool configuration. In order to configure the pools, the default password is 1 through 9. After unlocking, we can add mining pools on the miner page. I'll use F2 pool as an example. After clicking Add, the F2 pool logo appears directly below. We simply click on the F2 pool logo, and the mining address will be automatically filled in above. We enter the username, or copy it into the worker name field. The password can be anything. Then click Apply. If you want to place the worker address you just added in the first position, simply drag the small shovel icon to the top. Now we wait for this gray shovel icon to turn green, indicating the mining pool connection is successful. The AE Max has 3 hashboards. They will appear at the very bottom of your homepage. 3 hashboards will each display their hash rate and temperature. That concludes the AE Max mining pool configuration tutorial. Summarize AE Max. After running for over 20 minutes, we can see the average hash rate is 340 megahash. However, this might be a statistical error, because actually, look at the 3 hashboards below. Each is running at 120 megahash. It is capable of reaching the full 360 megahash. Power consumption stabilizes at 3,200 watts, 100 watts less than the official specification. Noise is approximately 80 to 0.5 decibels. The temperature at the exhaust vent is between 45 and 55 degrees Celsius. Its cooling performance is actually very good. Look at our paper towel test. Its suction and blowing force are both very strong, but because of the noise, it's not suitable for home mining. If you need an Aleo miner, You can watch our previous videos. We have a dedicated comparison of Aleo miners, or come directly to our Telegram group for consultation. That concludes our introduction of the AE Max. If you are interested in this miner or other miners, or have questions, you can visit our ViaBTC official website or Telegram group. Get the latest daily miner information and discounted prices.